Hi Loki, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning guys, it's around 7:20 AM and wala pa talagang tao. Nung dumating kami kahapon, grabe sobrang daming tao dito. Yan din kami galing kami ng metro. Dala-dala namin yung bagahe. Kahapon dumating kami mga 5:30 PM. Train station. Pura ano, may natutulog. Grabe na mga basura dito. Hi guys, so first coffee here in Amsterdam. So namin ka sa Starbucks. This is Loki. Hi Loki.
Good morning.
How's your coffee? This cost 5 euros. Habang yung mga ibon doon nag-aaway sa basura. They are fighting. Amsterdam Square. Yan yung Adam Toussaint Museum. Tapos ito, guys, wala talaga kaming alam kasi pag-research kung ano to. This is shopping mall. And where is the palace? That one? This one? So, another canal here. Daming canal dito. Amsterdam Canal. Ang gandang flowers. Kami sa Anne Frank Museum. Wow. This is street to. Madaming dito. Madaming bike. Kahit saan lang may nakapark na bike. Ewan ko kung for rent ba yan? This one, Lucky, this bike is for rent or?
I don't know, but they are going to work.
Ah. Hindi mo kasi maano yung mga dito eh. Kung local ba or tourist kasi pare-parehas yung mukha. Wala masyadong Asian. Lucky, no? Nagbabike yan. Apat na canals na pala yung nadaanan namin. Ito canal din. So guys, nandito na kami sa Anne Frank. Pero sarado pa yata. Masyadong maaga siya.
A lot of time at home. You know this. I'm home.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Bondel Park. Oh, can drink this?
Yes.
Free water. Daming babay. Jogging also.
Biking.
Aga pa kasi, time check is 9:32. Hear that?
Which one?
Hi, Loki.
Hi.
Yung parang lang siya. Anong tawag dun? Hindi siya clear. Parang may anaconda. May pato. Mga pato pa dun. So, yun lang. So, next stop is, what's our next stop? Loki.
Zoo.
Ha?
Zoo.
Van Gogh Museum. So we're here now at the Van Gogh Museum. Pero madaming pila. Yung mga tourists. Wala tayong ticket. I don't know how much is the ticket. We're going inside, look eh. Can you check how much is the ticket? Daming tourists dito. Kanina umaga, wala pang tao. Ayan, sobrang dami na. Doon din kanina sa sa Anne Frank Museum, pero hindi kami pumasok. Kasi wala din tao. Ayun pala yun. Ayun yung Van Gogh Museum. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. So ito yung mga bike na for rent. Bukas baka mag-bike ka. Tumon sa street. Ngayta mi og kananan. Kay gutom na wala may panipamahal. kapira. Og snacks. Ayun mga street dari o. Bisa-gasa daghan kay taon. Lunchtime. So ako akay kani. Na sandwich. Daghan. Very expensive. No, swimming pool.
It's a fountain. Hi guys, so we are here now at the Albert Type Market. Okay. Madaming tindahan. Mga damit, ito pagkain, snacks. Tag 350 euro. That's nice. Ito yung tinry ko kanina. Ito masarap. 1 euro. Try this 1 euro. Okay.
5 euros.
Charge your computer shop. All the first. May lang strawberry. What are you eating? How is it?
Not bad.
Good?
Very sweet.
Sweet? Ma'am? This is the famous one. Original. This is the original.
Same.
Die vrienden van Blijf.
Voted already small one. So this is the original one. Good morning guys. So second day namin ngayon dito sa Amsterdam. For today is we are going to Zaandam and then we will try also cycling. Yun lang yung hotel namin. Dito muna Loki here. So I'll show you. Ang ganda ng sunset to. Ganda. Siya ng ticket papunta dun sa Zaandam. Dalawang ticket. How much per ticket?
4
euro.
4.10 euro.
4.10.
If you buy online, you will save 1 euro.
What? Payment. Where's my ticket? Ano? So, ito yung train station. Yung train. So many people. Nandito na kami sa Zaandam. Mga 12 minutes lang yung biyahe. So supermarket. Sira, they're closed, right?
I don't know what
I think they are open late.
from like
I'm hungry. I forgot. Travel budget kasi kami. So, hindi kami nagbe-breakfast. Hindi na kami kumakain kasi kaka-budget. Ang mahal kasi dito, grabe. No, Loki, no? Very expensive here. So, isang meal namin, siguro makagastos kami ng mga ano, in peso, siguro mga 2,000. 1,000 peso? 2,000 do, Loki? Sa isang meal lang yun. Sabi ang mahal. Ayan o, may McDonald's. Aso parang sirado. The McDonald's is still closed, Loki. I want to have coffee. Closed. Kaya mag-open pag Sunday yung 9 a.m. This is hotel. Entel Hotels. Ang ganda. Pizza.
C'est sûr que ça, mais pas parce que j'avais mon affaire avec moi, mais on est passé. Oui, je crois qu'on est plus loin. Bateau, c'est beau, ouais. On arrive à pas comment
Who's that?
I don't know. My grandfather.
Ang naririnig nyo na ano, sounds, ano yan? Church yan. Malapit lang dun sa kabila. So, ngayon, ano, umuulan. Do you think we are able to do the canal close today because it's raining? Dapat kahapon eh. We supposed to do it yesterday because yesterday was a good weather. So, ito yung view, canal. Nice. Umuulan. Buti na lang hindi malakas yung ulan. No, another church there, oh.
That is the oldest building in Amsterdam.
Which one?
The church.
This one? Nice.
1213.
Wow, I have tour guide here, guys. Tour guide.
Look over there.
What is that? Tell me about it.
Yeah, that's the oldest building in Amsterdam.
And then?
Yeah, it's a church. 1213,
How old?
I think.
How old is the church?
1213. So it's how many years old? More than
1,100.
800 years old.
I told you that. I told you that.
My friend.
I don't need to hire tour guide. I have already here. Madumi lang yung ano yung church. Daming basura. Still cold here. We are heading to, where are we going?
Flower market.
Flower market. No, there is name. Bloem? Bloem? Kayong mga tao dito wala masyadong sasakyan. No? They use only bicycles. So,
stop is?
We are crossing all the canals one by one.
Yeah, how many canals we are crossing?
Maybe
So, we are going now to Heineken Experience. Heineken Museum. How many canals? Yan o, one canal. Ako ng cup. Ito, Amsterdam. Wait lang. 12 euro.
Tagas mong go bike diri, mag-bike ang tami pero ingon na ni katagas ang bike. So, ingon na ni katagas ang bike niya ang height na ko nga taga diri na. Taga liog na nako. Ano sa akong pag-bike? Tagas kaayo. So basta
find
magtumbling.
a small bicycle for children.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ay magtumbling-tumbling pamanggo na. Wa na. Ayaw na lang. There is typhoon maybe. Kanal na yung dadaanan namin. Wala. Ready na, ready na. Para maglasing. Green.
Asfalti se čini, će više pregnati.
Excited. Excited.
2-3 beer.
So, nandito na kami sa loob ng Heineken. Tell all the bottles how they put it there.
The ship comes in, delivers a fresh shipment of barley. That barley gets pumped up to the roof and then stored in silos. If you, well, at one point he said, "There's really big wall Red Bull here."
Obviously, they didn't have the energy for that, so what they would do is they would take a third of it, 30%.
Saturday night, Sunday hangovers, Rochester, Rockers, East. It's the other one starting with a B, ending in an N.
Stop, stop, stop. No, we should run. Red light, bang.
Cross. We're going on a canal cross. So, we are waiting for our time. Our time is 5:30. Ano? 5 p.m.? 5 p.m. So, we still have 30 minutes. So, yan yung boat namin.
There. Departure. So, 1 hour tour for 20 euro. 20 euro per person. Titingnan nyo kung gaano ka-busy yung Amsterdam Central. Sobrang crowded. Everyday ganito. Pero pag umaga, walang tao. Canal Cruise.
Alam yung maganda lang dito sa Amsterdam. Walang problema sa sa transportation kasi time to time mayroong may tram, may bus, may train, metro. Sobrang convenient.
la temperatura è vinta.
No, 16.
Ja,